Hello, Eric Clark here. In this video we're going to talk all about converting decimals into fractions. So when we're talking about converting decimals into fractions, we need to start off with a decimal. So this decimal is 12 hundredths. So before we convert from our decimal to our fraction, we need to identify the place in which the last number is positioned. So the first place is the tenths, the second place is the hundredths. So what we want to do is we want to take this number 12 and put it over 100. Next thing we want to do is we want to find out what the least common multiple is of the numerator and the denominator. And I know the least common multiple, or greatest common factor rather, is going to be 4. So we're going to divide 12 by 4 and we're going to divide 100 by 4. So we're going to be left with 3 over 25. Okay, so let's try another example real quick, somewhat similar but not exactly the same. So let's say we have 0.27. Okay, so this is 27 hundredths, so this is going to equal 27 over 100. Now what you want to do is find the greatest common factor, and if the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator is 1, that means that the two numbers are relatively primed and the fraction is already in simplest form. Okay, if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter, or you can find out how we can make more videos for you by visiting this link right here. Hopefully this was helpful, and I look forward to your feedback.